Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, I'm going to be bringing you guys a video on the best investment apps of 2023. I've had a lot of experience using investment apps since I was in college, probably since 2015, so coming up on 10 years now. So I have a lot of experience trying out different platforms. So I wanted to bring you guys kind of my opinion, my overall thoughts on the best investment apps for beginners in 2023. So right before we get into it, if you guys could consider liking the video, commenting, and subscribing, that'll really help push this video out for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys. So let's get right into it. So the different apps that we're going to be talking about is Acorns, Robinhood, Webull, and Moo Moo. So the first one we're going to be talking about is Acorns. So Acorns does charge $3 or $5 a month. They're able to invest your spare change, which is really cool. So if you, let's say, buy Chipotle and it ends up being $10.30, they'll round it up and invest that 70 cents for you. So you can invest very small amounts at a time. They have expert-built portfolios, including ETFs managed by BlackRock, etc. So it's very set it and forget it. It's simple and automated. There's a sign-up bonus of $5 if you use my affiliate link below. There is no crypto, unfortunately, so that's one of the downsides. One of the better upsides, I think, as well, is that it doesn't blast your portfolio chart in your face like a lot of different apps. So right when you open up the investment portfolio, it shows you this is how much you're up or down, whether your chart's up or down, right? So this kind of keeps that out of your face, and you're able to see less volatility, and maybe you will panic less as a new investor, right? And you're going to be investing in safe things like ETFs, and you're not going to have to think and be like, oh, which stock am I going to pick out myself, right? So they invest for you, and it's very simple, and they are SIPC insured up to $250,000 in cash. So Acorns is going to be a great platform for you if you're looking for something to just automate investing, set it and forget it, maybe invest your spare change even. So this is going to be great. So definitely check that out. But definitely, before you guys pick a platform, hear me out on all the platforms, and then you guys can check out the affiliate links below, or you can sign up for all the platforms if you guys just want to take advantage of those free stocks. So jumping into the next one is Robinhood. Robinhood is hated and loved by many, but it's definitely something that we need to go over. So they have extremely user-friendly platform. They have free trades. I think they have a very simple UI, so extremely user-friendly. Their user interface is amazing, in my opinion. They have simple charting, so you can take it or leave that how you like it. Some people might want simple charting. Some people might want more advanced charting, so this is not going to be for you if you want advanced charting. They obviously have very poor customer service. I wrote that twice. That's funny. And that's how bad it is. I had to mention it twice. And they have problems in the past, with GME. They didn't really have full crypto wallet access. They restricted trading, right? Crypto is available now, and they do have crypto wallets, I believe. So definitely check that out. So you can actually own and custody your own crypto. SIPC insured up to $250,000 in cash. That's only going to be for stocks. Remember, with crypto, there is no insurance. Best way to hold your crypto is in cold storage and not on the wallets. So if you guys want me to make a video on how to store your crypto in cold storage, I'll definitely do that as well. And they have a sign-up bonus for $5, I think, to $200, but usually it's $5, right? So Robinhood's going to be very user-friendly, but a lot of people don't like some of the things that they've pulled in the past, so they stay away from them. And that's completely understandable because there's so many competitors out there. So a good competitor to Robinhood that I like better than Robinhood is going to be Webull. And why do I like Webull better than Robinhood? Sure, they have free trades just like Robinhood, but they now have released a desktop version where you can have advanced charting and see real-time quotes. They also have access to crypto. They're user-friendly. I said crypto twice here, sorry about that. And they're SIPC insured up to $250K in cash. So not only do they have free trades, they have this really good desktop version, so you can do a lot more advanced things than you would be able to on Robinhood on that desktop version, or you can even do it through the app, right? It's just a little more advanced. And they also have an insane sign-up bonus. You can get up to 12 free stocks for signing up and depositing $100. So when you sign up, you'll get 2 free stocks. And then when you deposit $100, you'll get 4 to 8 free stocks. That's going to be a minimum of $34 in stocks. And, they'll allow you to invest fractional shares with as little as $5. So will Robinhood. So that's another great thing about these two platforms. So definitely consider checking out my affiliate link below if you want to get these free stocks. and obviously they're SIPC insured up to 250K in cash. Finally, we're going to be talking about Moo Moo. Moo Moo is one of the newer ones that a lot of people might not have heard about. They are US based. They do have options trading. They are free trades as well, so no commission. They're not as user friendly. I'm not as in love with their app as some of these other apps, but it is nice that they're US based. They don't have crypto. They're SIPC insured up to 250K in cash, which is the maximum for these brokers. It's a standard. And they have a sign up bonus for up to 20 free stocks. It doesn't really tell you the minimum and the maximum, but I think I got around $40 when I signed up. And maybe I got 10 free stocks at the time. So definitely check out that link below if you guys want some free stocks as well. Overall, it's hard to pick a platform when it comes to investing. So the best advice I can give you is sign up for these different platforms, take advantage of the sign up bonuses with my affiliate links. And then that way you're going to get hundreds of dollars in free stocks to get started. You're going to have some free money to get started. You can try out the apps. And then from there, you can move forward and say, hey, this app is great for me. The two I would recommend the most would be Webull. If you're a little more advanced and you know what you're doing and you want to buy individual stocks, they also have the best sign-up bonus. So Webull is going to be great if you know what you're doing. They have a great desktop version. They have access to crypto, right? It's all in one. Acorns is going to be great if you're more of a beginner, I would say, which they're all great for beginners. But this one, you don't have to think at all. You can invest your spare change. They have, expert built portfolios, managed portfolios, right? So Acorns is something I would definitely recommend to you guys because you also don't have to think about investing. You can just have it invest automatically for you, $5 every month, $10 every month, your spare change, etc. So I hope you guys got some value out of this video. And if you guys want to keep in touch with me, definitely check out my social media and my Discord links below. Discord's a great place to communicate with like-minded people. So we got a great community in there. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day.